In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Deepseek AI application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Deepseek AI application on your device, and within the homepage, you will find the Continue with Google, the Continue with Password, and the Sign Up option. Make sure to agree with the terms and condition, and now tap on Continue with Password. You will now be prompted to enter your account credentials. In order to recover your forgotten password, tap on the Forgot Password button. Now you will need to enter your email address that is associated with your account. After typing it in, tap on the Send Code button alongside the code box. When you see that the code has been sent successfully, go ahead and check your inbox. Inside your inbox, you will find your 6-digit verification code. Just type it in within the given box and tap on Continue. Once your code has been verified, you will be allowed to create your desired new password for your account. Type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. Finally, tap on the Reset Password button, and now your password has successfully been changed. You can now use your newly set up password to regain access into your account. So there you have it. That is how you can reset your forgotten password on the Deepseek AI application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.